What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan. Ang ngayong araw papanoorin natin performance ng isa na naman nating kababayan na sumali at nag-audition sa The Voice USA. At ito ay si Sofronio Vasquez. At I think wala pa akong idea kung ano yung pinperforma niya at kung anong naging how do you call it, resulta nung sa mga coaches. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa, papanoorin natin yung video performance ni Sofronio at later bibigay kong reaction at opinion ko on the said video. So, let's go!
Time on my head.
Snoop Dogg. Lahat 4 judges nag-turn around. Nagustuhan nila ko.
And the sound of the rain against my window pane. Slowly, slowly driving me insane. I'm going down. I'm going down. You went round, baby. My whole world's upside down. Oh, I died to say goodbye. Look what you've done to me.
Come on in.
I can't stop the seas from falling from my I'm going down, baby. Come back to me. Whoa, my world's upside down. My world's upside down. Upside down.
Iwan na pala natin yung performance ni Sofronio Vasquez na isang Filipino singer naka-cowboy suit. Wow, ang galing, ganda ng boses niya. Amazing performance and hindi nakapagtaka bakit nag-turn around yung apat na judges. Nauna na si Snoop Dogg doon, sinundan ni who's the other guy, si Michael Bublé, then Reba McEntire and Gwen Stefani. So, Gwen Stefani. So, mga bagong judges yun. Ako si Gwen nagbabalik, pero the rest bago ata sila. Or, mga iba nang galing sa earlier edition. So, yun. Balik tayo kay Sofronio. Ang ganda ng boses niya. R&B. And, walang R&B to sa mga nag-coaches, pero they like the performance. Malinis kasi yung performance niya. Ang ganda. Masarap pakinggan. Suwabing-suwabe. And, talagang sabay ka sa pag-perform niya. And ito yung siguro sa mga ilan sa mga Filipino performers or contestant na napanood ko na ang ganda, ang linis ng performance, and na no doubt yung hindi ka magtataka na bakit siya napili ka na, diba? Pero this one is really ang ganda ng performance niya, and tuwang-tuwa ako to sa naging performance niya because it was really great. And I'm hoping that itong pagkakapasok niya will magtuloy-tuloy, will continue until sa finals, diba? Kasi there are few Filipino talagang, there are very rare for Filipino, it is very rare for Filipino to reach the finals. So yun, so hoping na itong si Sofronio will reach final round ng The Voice USA. So again, congrats kay Sofronio, ang galing-galing, galing-galing. So super nakakahanga, diba? As a Filipino, diba? So there you go. Kung kayo mga quiz, mga atis, nagustuhan niyo po yung performance ni Sofronio Vasquez, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan niyo na may binigay kong comment, simpleng komentaryo pa lang sa performance ni Sofronio Vasquez, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys para makapag-share tayo ng ating mga kuro-kuro, haka-haka opinion or whatsoever, diba? So there you go. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day. And before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Alan's Key Show. The Proudly Promises Vlog, ang pinagtala channel, Taba na People Presents, and pagandahan ng usapan. So maraming salamat again. Have a nice day and bye-bye.